gentlemen. Welcome to San Juan, where the local time is approximately 3 minutes to 9 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins since bags may have shifted during landing. You may not use your cell phones and pagers. All other electronic devices must remain turned off until we arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. If San Juan is your final destination, have a very pleasant stay. If you have an unknown journey, safe travel. Again, thanks for choosing American. We're a member of the One World Alliance, and have a good morning. Today our arrival gate will be gate 6, and your baggage claim will be A. I have some connecting gate information. Flight 5080 to La Romana, gate 1A. Flight 5106 to Martinique, gate 1A. Flight 5190 to Guadeloupe, gate 1C. Flight 5112